Guys, the snow is pretty bad. In Massachusetts, the snow is very bad, guys. It's very windy too outside. As you guys could see, the road is not even good. It's still snowing. And I think on Wednesday it's gonna be we gotta get more snow. Friday, same thing. It's like we're getting a lot of snow. Um, but yeah, it's crazy. It's very windy. So we literally getting more snow on top of what we already had from like what 3-4 weeks ago. Okay, guys, you guys seeing these? Like we're getting more snow on top of what we already had, which is like crazy. Oof.